Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Glamak here. So guys, this is a video of CA Foundation books unboxing. There are the 4 papers, 1 paper of 2 books, 2 paper of 2 books, 3 paper of 1 book and 4 paper of 2 books. Let's unbox this. First paper is the principle and practice of accounting. This is the new syllabus, okay. The syllabus of May and November, December are same, okay. There are the chapters. These are the contents of the first paper, module 1. This paper 1 and the first part having 50 marks weightage. This is the second module of paper 1, principle and practice of accounting. These are the contents of this module 2. The second part having 50 marks weightage. Paper 1 is of 100 marks and paper 1 and 2 is subjective based exam and paper 3 and 4 is objective, okay. This is the second paper of section A, business law, and here are the contents. This paper 2 of first part, which is business law, having 60 marks weightage, okay. This is section B of paper 2, business corresponding and reporting. This is a grammar book, okay. The second part of this grammar book of paper 2 is having 40 marks weightage and paper 2 is of 100 marks. Here are the contents. Next is the paper 3, which is business mathematics, logical reasoning and statistics. It's really tough guys, I must say. These are the contents. मैंने तो start कर लिया पढ़ाई, hope आप लोग भी कर रहे होंगे. Paper 3 is of 100 marks and first part business mathematics is of having 40 marks weightage and logical reasoning is of 20 marks weightage, and the last part, third part, is the statistic, which is of 40 marks weightage. Overall this is of 100 marks and this is an objective based exam. This is the paper 4, which is of business economics part 1, okay. These are the contents. You can see this is, I think this book have a weightage of 60 marks and the second one have a weightage of 40 marks, okay. This is the part 2 of paper 4, business and commercial knowledge. This is business environment, everything you can see in this chapter. These are the contents. Hope you guys like my video, and then subscribe to my channel. If you have a doubt regarding any CA Foundation, then drop a comment on the comment box. This is the new syllabus, guys, CA Foundation 2023.